Welcome to StompPads Math and Coding Junior, where numbers come to life and math becomes an exciting, interactive adventure. In this dynamic course, students use Unruly Splats to turn mathematical concepts into stompable games. Through active play, they practice key skills such as rounding, addition, and subtraction, while building teamwork, confidence, and critical thinking. Each focus area makes math both fun and memorable. In Number Jam, students play interactive games that strengthen number sense and arithmetic. They practice addition, subtraction, and numerical relationships through engaging hands-on activities. In Problem Solvers, students take on challenges and puzzles that build problem-solving and reasoning skills. This focus area emphasizes fluency, logical thinking, and persistence. By the end of the course, students will have boosted their math skills, gained confidence, and discovered how fun problem-solving can be. Join StompPads Math and Coding Junior and empower your students to stomp, solve, and crunch numbers in an unforgettable math adventure.